An object takes 5 seconds to reach the ground from a height of 5 meters on a planet. What is the value of g on the planet? What is given here? Takes time 5 seconds. Time is 5 seconds. Object is here. When an object takes 5 seconds to reach the ground, that is falling, and it will take the ground at a time 5 seconds. And what is the height of the ball? Height of the object, that is S is 5 meter. Height of the object is at 5 meter from the ground. So it will take 5 seconds to reach the ground. Now what you have to find out here, that is you have to find out the value of g on the planet. So here what is given? T is given 5 seconds, S is given 5 meter, and what is u? At the planet, this object is at a rest position, so it is the initial velocity u is 0. Now you have to find out what is g. According to the Newton's equation, S is equal to ut plus half at square. So what is S? 5 is equal to u is 0. U into 0 into anything is 0 only. Half into g into t square, 5 square. 5 square is 25. So half into 25 g. So this 2 comes to here. So 2 into 5 is 10. 10 is equal to 25 g. So you can write down g is equal to 10 upon 25. So 0.4 meter per second square. So the value of g on the, therefore the value of g on the planet, value of g on the planet is 0.4 meter per second square. You have to write like this. Okay, next one. The mass and weight of an object on Earth are 5 kg and 49 Newton respectively. What will be their values on Moon? Assume that the acceleration due to gravity on the Moon is 1 upon 6 of that on the Earth. What is given here? Mass is given and weight also given. Where? On Earth. What is the object's mass on the Earth is 5 kg. Object's weight on the Earth is 49 Newton. Now, we know that mass of the object is same everywhere. Same in Earth also. Earth also mass is same. If you go anywhere on the planet, there also the mass of the object is same. So, mass of the object is same everywhere. Therefore, mass of the object on Moon is 5 kg only. So, mass of the object on Moon is equal to mass of the object on Earth, that is nothing but 5 kg. Now, let us see weight. Weight is not same everywhere. So, weight of the object, here what is given? Weight of the object on Earth is 49 Newton. Now, weight of the object on Moon is equal to 1 upon 6 into weight of the object on the Earth. Because the acceleration due to gravity on the Moon is 1 upon 6 of that of the Earth. That much 1 by 6 times of the gravity of the Earth. Sorry, the gravity on the Moon is 1 by 6 times that of the Earth. So you can write weight of the object on Moon is equal to 1 upon 6 into weight of the object on Earth. So it is nothing but 1 upon 6 into 49. So what you are getting? 49 upon 6, that is 8.166. So you can write it as 8.17 Newton. So you can conclude that weight of the object on Moon is 8.17 Newton. The radius of the planet A is half the radius of the planet B. If the mass of A is ma, what must be the mass of B so that the value of g on B is half that of its value on A? What is given in this equation? We have to find out mass of, what is the mass? What must be the mass of a B planet? There are two planets, planet A and planet B. What is given here? Radius of the planet A, let it be RA. Radius of the planet B, let it be RB. Then, what is the relationship between planet A and planet B. The radius of planet A is half the radius of the planet B. It is given. Again, the value of G on A planet, let it be A, and the value of G on planet B is GB. Then the relation is given. What is the relation given? The value of G on planet B is half the value of G on planet A. That is Gp is equal to half Ga. Let mass of planet A is Ma and mass of B planet is Mb. Then we know that G is equal to acceleration due to gravity. G is equal to Gm upon r square. So using this, G at planet A is equal to Gma upon Ra square, and at planet B, G is equal to Gmb upon Rb square. Now, using this equation, Gb is equal to half Ga. Now put the value of Gb here, that is Gmb upon Rb square is equal to half into the value of Ga, that is Gma upon Ra square. What we have to find out is that Mb, we have to find out the mass of planet B. So Mb is equal to half into the G is same at the universe, so G is constant, so you can cancel the value of G. So you are getting Mb is equal to half into Ma upon Ra square into Rb square. This Rb square go to the numerator. Now Mb is equal to half into Ma into, we know the relationship between Ra and Rb, that is Ra is equal to half Rb. Put this value here. So what you are getting? Half into Ma upon half Rb's whole square into Rb square. So half into Ma upon Rb square into Rb square. This 1 upon 4. 1 upon 2 whole square means 1 upon 4. This 4 goes to the numerator. So here 4. 2 ones are 2, 2s are Rb square get cancelled. So what is left here? 2Ma. So Mb is equal to 2Ma. Mass of planet B is 2 times the mass of planet A. This is the answer we are getting. The mass of the earth is 6 into 10 power 24 kg. The distance between the earth and the sun is 1.5 into 10 power 11 meter. If the gravitational force between the two is 3.5 into 10 power 22 Newton, what is the mass of the sun? Use G is equal to 6.7 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. What is given here? The mass of the earth is given, that is, let it be M1, this is 6 into 10 power 24 kg. Next, what is given? The distance between the earth and the sun. So if you consider earth is one object, sun is the other object, then the distance between the two objects, earth and the sun, that is given, that is R is equal to 1.5 into 10 power 11 meter. Now, if the gravitational force also given, gravitational force between the two objects, between sun and the earth, that is given 3.5 into 10 power 22 Newton. And also the gravitational constant is 6.7 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg. That is also given. Sorry, here it is given 6.7 into 10 power 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Now, what you have to find out? You have to find out the mass of the sun. So we know that the gravitational force between the two objects F is equal to G M1 M2 upon R square. This is the formula to find out the gravitational force. Here in this case we know the value of a force, we know the mass of one object, we know the distance between the two objects. We have to find out the mass of the other object. So write down, substitute all the values. What is F? F is 3.5 into 10 power 22 is equal to, what is the value of G? G is given 6.7 into 10 power minus 11 into mass of one object, that is earth. Mass of the earth is 6 into 10 power 24 into M2, that is mass of sun. We have to find out. Upon R square, the distance between the mass and sun, that is 1.5 into 10 power 11 square. Now M2 is equal to, if you have to find out M2 is equal to F into R square, that is 3.5 into R square 1.5 into 1.5 into 10 power 11 square means 10 power 22 plus Here also 10 power 22 is there. So 10 power 22 into 10 power 22. So 10 power 22 plus 22. That is nothing but 10 power 44. Upon this, this numerator comes to the denominator. That is 6.7 into 6 into 10 power minus 11 into 10 power 24. That is 10 power minus 11 plus 24 according to the law of indices. So simplify this one. You are getting m2 is equal to 3.5 into 2.25. 1.5 square means 1.5 into 1.5, that is 1.5 square, that is nothing but 2.25 into 10 power 44 minus, this will comes to the numerator. When it comes to the numerator, it will get the sign minus. Simplifying, you are getting 10 power 13 here. So when it comes to the numerator, it will get the minus sign, 10 power minus 13. So you are getting 10 power 44 minus 13. So upon 6.7 into 6, by simplifying this, we are getting 40.2. So again, by simplifying 3.5 into 2.25, you are getting 7.875 upon 40.2 into 10 power 44 minus 13 is 10 power 31. Again, by dividing this one by this, you are getting 0.1958 into 10 power 31. Now, multiply this one by 10 and multiplying this one by 10 and remove 110 from this, you are getting 1.958 into 10 power 30. So you can, if you are writing this one for 2 digits, then you can write 1.96 because 8 is greater than 5. So you have to add 1 factor to this second digit. So you are getting 1.96 into 10 power 30. Since it is mass, the unit is kg. So you can say the mass of the sun is 1.96 into 10 power 30 kg.